If you want to know how to add questions in Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to customize your booking form so you can collect the information you need before a meeting is scheduled. This is super useful if you want to ask about project details, goals, phone numbers, company names, or anything else that helps you prepare ahead of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is where all of your event types are managed, and it's the place you'll go anytime you want to update how your booking page works. Next, choose the event type you want to edit. Calendly lets you set up different event types for different purposes, so make sure you pick the one where you want the new questions to appear. For example, you might have one event for discovery calls, one for demos, and another for consultations. Select the correct one so you don't make changes to the wrong booking page. After that, click More Options. Depending on your account layout, this may open additional settings for that event type. Once those options expand, scroll down until you find the Invitee form section. This is the part of Calendly where you control what your invitees see and what information they need to fill out before booking. Now click Edit. This opens up the form settings so you can make changes to the questions that people answer when they schedule time with you. Inside the form editor, you'll see the option to add question, or you may see existing questions already listed there if someone has set them up before. If you want to create a brand new question, click Add Question. Then choose the answer type that fits your needs. Calendly may give you different formats depending on the question you want to ask, so think about whether you want a short text answer, a longer response, or another type of input. Picking the right answer type makes it easier for invitees to respond clearly and helps you collect better information. Now type in your question. Keep it simple, clear, and specific. For example, instead of asking a vague question, ask something like, "What would you like to discuss during this meeting?" Or, "Please share your website link before the call." The more direct your question is, the better the responses will be. If the question is important and you need every invitee to answer it, mark it as required. This is a great way to make sure people don't skip over the details you need. If it's optional, you can leave it unrequired so the booking process stays quick and easy. If there's already a question in the form that you want to change, you can edit that one instead of creating a new one. Just update the wording, adjust the answer type if needed, and make sure it still matches the purpose of your event. Once you've finished adding or editing your question, click Save Changes. This is the final step that applies everything to your Calendly event type. After you save, your invitee form will be updated, and anyone booking that event will now see the new question before they schedule time with you. That's it. You've now learned how to add questions in Calendly. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in how prepared you are for every meeting. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.